imagery to the Ice Age. Your subconscious recognizes energy. It powers up through the frequency of light.
Message!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
FBI, open up!
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Back to the future. Decoded.
I'm too weak. Oh, don't kill me, please.
In this 1980s sci-fi classic, small-town California teen Marty McFly is thrown back into the 50s when an experiment by his eccentric scientist friend, Doc Brown, goes awry. Traveling through time in a modified DeLorean car, Marty encounters young versions of his parents and must make sure that they fall in love or he'll cease to exist. Even more daunting, Marty has to return to his own time and save the life of Doc Brown. 1985, a star was born. Marty seems to be playing with certain items. They start you off with the sound wave frequency. Then they add a little sparkle to the alpha wave energy. Programming. The thing that can be impacted by sound, pictures, energy, and light. It's impressed upon by the media, masses, and magicians. It's your best friend or your worst enemy if you allow it. Subconscious mind. The spirit, subconscious mind is all. It's impressed upon by these movies, TV shows, ads, life, everything. You're a big computer operator. You gotta understand. The powers that be, the elitists, want you to understand and flow with energy signatures. Frames. And they only know their frame they're going to put you in. Time frames. They can just tell you their story from their known reality. Their reality is creating a certain frequency and energy for them specific times. Think about it like this. They create a certain theme for the decade. And this new decade, 2020 and beyond, is the energy signature we build upon. Coronavirus, fear, hospitals, masks, vaccines, government assistance, hopelessness, stay away from others, online. Welcome to the 2020 decade, Nagas. So with Back to the Future, they were starting at the beginning of videos, the early stages of TV, so the mind control doesn't get deeply ingrained and implanted until the Illuminati realizes what they got. A programming machine. TV programming. Tune in. Prime time. So let's go back to the future. I'm going to show you how to time travel, baby. Let's go back a little bit. Einstein is the face of modern science. He even taps into metaphysical concepts that can put you in that state of mind, that consciousness, flow state, spirit. So when you attach a name or image with smart or brilliant, you place a certain energy signature on the particular being. Just like with Doc's dog being called Einstein and they zapping his ideas, imagery to the Ice Age. Your subconscious recognizes energy. It powers up through the frequency of light.
Message!
Light is knowledge. Light is a spectrum of a consciousness. This is where your mind dictates a certain level of consciousness. This is the energy of the day or the frequency of the times. This frequency, this energy can be depicted with the consciousness of the day. And with a specific consciousness, way to think, you can rule over a people. There's a light wave that are controlling you with your spirit. And this light wave is the frequency of the time. This is the future obliterating the past, and time is instantaneous. November 5th, 1955. November 5th, 1955 equals 36. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 369. Damn, girl, fine. Yeah. Yeah, yin yang twins. Energy or completion. Holistic. So we're talking about the completion where we're talking about that part of you that believes. Because the unconscious collective believes in the timeline of the day. Subconscious mind. So Marty goes back into time. November 5th, 1955. Which was a critical time period for him and his personal family. Things that happen to your family members back in the day can have a resounding effect on your energy signature and your kids' energy signature. They call it trauma. Remember, when we're talking about spirit, subconscious mind, just like the times of the day and the energy of the world, your energy signature can be speaking something of lack, fear, worry, not sure of yourself. As in Marty's dad wasn't sure of himself.
I got a bad feeling about this.
He didn't believe in his writings, where some people might like it and find it appealing. He wasn't confident enough to stand up to the man, the powers that be, society, the bully, and stare life in the face and say, "I'm unstoppable." Marty had to travel back through time using his Flux Capacitor, third eye power, and plutonium, or Pluto, life force energy, to see his timeline to create a change for his now. In the birth chart, Pluto shows that area of life where you'll personally face the intense power of creation and destruction. The ego holds to its defense, but Pluto tries to urge you to let go and surrender to become a new being. Remember, you are the hero, the hawk, looking down at your timeline. Bird's eye view. And your energy to change your timeline can be manipulated with your DeLorean time travel car. Punch that enemy in the face. Square up to the fear of life. And remember, you're the lion of your estates. Dream wise.